the values for x that I'll choose, and then the values for y that are the result. So if I pick 1 for x, for instance, and plug it in, I would get y is equal to 2 plus 1, or 3. If I select 0 for x, I get y is equal to 0 plus 1, or 1. Negative 1 for x would give me negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. And then that gives me 3 points, and I am now going to plot them on my graph. You know that it takes only 2 points to determine a line, but it's really a safety measure to go ahead and choose 3 points, because you know they have to be collinear. They have to line up, and if they don't, then you've got a mistake somewhere. So it's a good way to check your work. And then we'll draw the line. The line is going to be solid because the inequality does contain the equal sign, which means that every point on that line also satisfies the inequality. But on one side of the line are a bunch more points that also satisfy it. So we need to figure out which side of the line contains those points. Since the origin, 0, 0, is not on the line, I'm going to choose that as my test point. So I'm going to check 0, 0. And I'm going to plug in 0 for x and 0 for y and ask myself the question, is 0 less than or equal to 0 plus 1? And the answer is yes, it is. 0 is less than 1. And therefore, I'm going to shade the right-hand side of the line, the side that contains that test point. I suggest that you always use 0, 0 unless you have the special situation where 0, 0 actually lands on your line. In that case, you'll have to pick some other easy point like 1, 1 or something like that. Okay, so the next step then is to shade the right side of the line. And this would be the solution then to our inequality. It's an entire region of the coordinate plane.